Hi friends, 10th standard Alpha to Omega ISRT is very passionately designed for the students to score 100 marks, 100%. Dr. Hukum Singh's dedication is there everywhere. You can see the contents here very clearly written over the box and about the materials. In between, I am taking out all the materials out. Materials, colors, papers, print quality, plastic quality, everything maintained in a international standard quality. And Infora is very happy to give you and showcase you this beautiful product. And these are our CDs. For the kids, we have two CDs. For 10th standard, this is video tutorials and maths lab. And these are talent hunt mode. And these two books are most important, demonstration notes and maths projects book. And this is the catalog about the Alpha to Omega. And we have the workbook, and this is about the shapes. Just we can have a look over the shape with how many colors, what type of shapes, and how beautifully it is, how easily we can prepare this. These all things for a 10th standard student, it will be very easy. It's a 3D proportion. They can prepare like this, and it will be so easy to understand and to learn these all shape cards. So let us go to the next envelope. We have the mathematical charts are there as well as mathematicians. So let us see the charts. Who are these? These are mathematicians. Macaulay and Kepler are there, and we have André Max Planck. These are the coordinate geometry, and now we have sum of first and even numbers. This is three vessels of problems, missing square magic, quadrants. This is quadrants, age detector table, circumcenter, and we have fallacies of mathematics. You can go through the all fallacies in this sheets, 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets, and this is sequential aids with 9, and we have the same sequential inputs of 9 also, and we have incenter of a circle. This is circle angles of two segments, and we have incenter of a triangle. And this is binary numbers. You can see the binary and decimal. Irrational numbers, it's very important. You can see the colors designed in the irrational, and we can see the sum of first and odd numbers here. Now let us go the material box. See, we have a clinometer here. Yes, we have Soma cube here, and we have Tower of Hanoi and annular ring. You can see annular, as well as concentric circles are there. Binary cards are there. Circumcenter, incenter, and Mobius ring you saw, and finally we have the circle check along with this all materials. Now let us go to a Soma cube demonstration, which will be very useful for all the students. A solid dissection puzzle it is actually. There are 7 Soma pieces always you can see here, and these all composed of all the irregular face joint cubes. The objective is assemble the pieces into a cube. So that's a student activity. Actually, there are 240 essentially distinct way of doing. Now we are completing this cube by using this seven cubes, seven pieces. Now you can see we are completing this soma cube by putting all these seven pieces. Yeah, see, yes, this is the final position of the soma cube what we finished. So this is our beautiful kit. Oh friends, this is the full unboxing video. So now you go to the below description to find the details.